We'll guide you through how to fix no audio in OBS Studio. Let's get right into this guide.
For the first method, make sure that your desktop audio and microphone are not turned off in the audio mixer of OBS. To turn them back on, just drag the sliders to the right. So here we have the sliders, and if I drag it to the right, I enabled my desktop audio. If that didn't solve your issue, try checking if you have selected the correct devices inside of OBS. To do that, first off, go over to your mic in the audio mixer, then press the three dots next to it, then press Properties. Right here under Device, press this button and select the exact microphone that you're using, then press the OK button. Repeat the exact same process for desktop audio. Select the exact device that you're using as your output. Now, after you have done that, you can try recording a video and see if it starts working. If it doesn't, you can move on to the next method, which includes multiple steps that can help you fix this issue. First off, make sure that your devices are working fine. For your microphone, go over to the Windows settings. To do that, go to the bottom left, press the search button, and right here write Settings. Then open up the application at the top, then go into System, then go into Sound. And now once you have gotten right here, make sure that you have selected the correct microphone by pressing this button and speak into your microphone, and if this blue line moves, that means that the microphone is working. After you select the correct microphone, if no sound is being detected, you can press the troubleshoot button, which will help you scan your microphone for some general issues and help you fix them. Also, make sure that you have selected the correct output device, and you can repeat the troubleshoot button for that one as well. After you have done that, you can go to the top right and press Microphone Privacy Settings, or if it doesn't appear for you in the top right, you can just go to the bottom, select your search button, and search for Microphone Privacy Settings right here. It will show up. Once you have gotten in here, make sure that you allow access to the microphone on this device by pressing the Change button, and right here pressing On, and also pressing On right here. Then you can scroll down and you can allow access to Microsoft Store apps and also allow desktop apps to access your microphone. Turn this on as well. Then OBS should be automatically right here. As you can see, it's currently in use for me. Now, after you have done all of this, you can try and record a video and see if this helped you. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.